Okay, this is writing equations homework. What you're going to do when you have an equation that you need to write is you're going to read the problem carefully and start with the unknown part. You're also going to look for the math clues or some other way to let you know what you don't know. Let's take a look at our example problem. Min and her 4 friends had a garage sale to help pay for their choir trip. They divided their total earnings so that each person had $37. How much was the total earnings from the garage sale? So here you're going to start with just your own unknown part. Our unknown part would be these total earnings. We have a couple of math clues. We know it was Min and her 4 friends. We know that they divided their total. And we know each person had $37. So what we need to do is figure out the variable, which if you think back to last week is the unknown part. You don't have to solve the problem in these. You do have to solve the problem for these with the other numbers that are affected by the variable. So think back to the balance beam and the bags and the cubes. So Min and her 4 friends had the garage sale. That's 5 people. They divided their total. So if we divide the total by 5, we know that we'll get the answer. We know that there was $37 apiece. We want to know the total earnings. So we are going to write the whole equation. Don't forget the variable in your equation. So our equation is going to look something like this. If 5 people each had $37, we know that each can also mean to multiply. So we'll have 5 times 37 equals our unknown, which is x. So to solve this, you can do this one of 2 ways, distributive property, or you can write off to the side. I know that 5 times 7 is 35. I know that 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18. So I know that x equals $185. And that was my final step, which is to solve my equation.